When I do keyword research, I always use KWFinder. This is my favorite keyword tool. KWFinder is a much better keyword research tool than the Google Keyword Planner. It shows exact search volumes, whereas with the Google Keyword Planner, you only get the exact search volumes if you're running a paid advertising campaign. KWFinder is completely focused on SEO, while the Keyword Planner is focused on ads. You also get a keyword difficulty score to quickly identify the best keywords. With this tool, you can do better and, above all, faster keyword research. You get better SEO results, so you will rank faster and higher in Google. KWFinder is a paid tool, but they have a free trial, where you can try the tool for free for 10 days. There's a limit to the data you can request per day, but in those 10 days you can still go a long way with your keyword research. The free trial makes it a very handy tool to use in combination with the Keyword Planner. You can also take out a subscription. This is very useful for keyword research, and you then get unlimited access to the tool and the data. And when you sign up to a monthly plan, you can cancel whenever you want. Here we are at kwfinder.com, and at the top right you will see a button for the free trial to try out the tool for 10 days. Now let me show you how I used KWFinder to do keyword research using the traditional keyword research method. First of all, I'm going to enter my seed keyword, for example, fitness exercises. Select your location, for example, United States, and your language. Then click Find Keywords. Here we get a list of related keywords, just like we saw in the Google Keyword Planner. But you have additional data now that is very useful. First of all, we have the column Search, which gives the exact search volume for this keyword. In the Google Keyword Planner, we saw a range of between 1,000 and 10,000, but here we see that the key phrase fitness exercises has an exact search volume of 5,200. This is very useful information to have because now you can immediately see how many people search per month on a certain keyword. Then we have cost per click, which is the amount of money that people pay per click when advertising for this keyword. Then we see the level of competition for advertisements with PPC. This is not so relevant data to have when you're doing SEO research, but it could provide some nice information if you ever want to advertise for these keywords. And then the last column, KD, stands for keyword difficulty. This is really pure gold, what you see here. You can select keywords much faster and better with this keyword difficulty score. When we get to step 3, filtering keywords, I will show you how to use this keyword difficulty score to select the best keywords. You can also use KWFinder in combination with the Keyword Planner. So if you have keywords that you found with the Keyword Planner, you can then use KWFinder to check the exact search volume and assess the competition. If you have a list of keywords already, you can import them by going to Import and then choose a file or copy-paste the keywords here. Doing keyword research goes with the same procedure as I showed in the Google Keyword Planner. So here as well, it is important to dig deeper and look for new seed keywords that you can use to find related keywords. So if aerobic exercise is something that you really want to have a separate section on your website, you can use this as a new seed keyword to find related ideas. Just click on this arrow to search for related keywords. Now you get a whole list of keyword suggestions that are related to aerobic exercise. To make your keyword research easier, you can use filters. Like you can search for minimum and maximum search volume, and also for CPC, PPC, and keyword difficulty. This is very useful because you could filter down your entire list to, for example, only show keywords that have a certain keyword difficulty. You can also use included and excluded keywords to quickly filter out your keyword list. Other useful features include autocomplete and questions. This will give you additional keyword suggestions you can use. For example, if you only want to see questions, you can use this option to only see suggested keywords that are questions. Any keywords that you like, you can just select, or you can select all of them by clicking here, and you can add them to a list. I can add them to an existing list, or I can create a new list here. Then you can go back to your list. You can select all your keywords and click Export. You can copy to clipboard or export to CSV. You might see all the data in this way so that you can't really see what's going on. To get the data showing correctly, just select the first column, then go to Data, Text to Columns, Delimited, select Comma, and Finish. Now you have all the data in a nice list. Again, you can clean up all the columns that you don't really need. such as location, cost per click, PPC. Keyword difficulty is of course very important to have, average search volume as well. Here you see average search volume for 12 months, 6 months, and 3 months. That is a good way to see different trends in search volume for a certain keyword. These are search volumes per month, which you don't really need, in my opinion, so you just can get rid of these. And once you're done, you have a very nice list of keywords with in the left column the keyword, then the average search volume for different time frames, and lastly the keyword difficulty score. If you work with different tools and add new keywords to your list, make sure to remove duplicate entries. For example, if you have compiled a list with the Keyword Planner and you are adding keywords from KWFinder to that list, click on Data, Remove Duplicates. I select column A for all the keywords, and I click OK. But no duplicate values were found, obviously, because I got all these keywords from one tool. This is how you do keyword research with KWFinder to get the best keywords for your website. This is a much better tool than the Keyword Planner and is very useful for doing SEO keyword research. In the next video, I will show you some more tools to use for doing your keyword research.